In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Pandadoc Workspaces to organize multiple teams. Whether you're brand new to Pandadoc or looking to optimize your workflow for better team management, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. Let's begin by navigating to the Pandadoc website. Simply open your preferred web browser and head over to pandadoc.com. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the login option positioned prominently on their homepage. You'll click on it, which will then direct you to the sign-in page of the application. Once you're on the sign-in page, you'll see several options, but for today, let's proceed by choosing the Google sign-in method. Most folks find this convenient as it streamlines the login process using your Google account credentials, eliminating the need to memorize yet another password. Simply click on the Google button, which will prompt a new window to appear. Here, you'll need to select the account you'd like to associate with Pandadoc. Pay careful attention, especially if you manage multiple Google accounts, to select the one related to your work or team activities. After you make your selection, you'll be redirected to the Pandadoc dashboard. Next, let's set up the framework to organize your document management environment by heading over to the settings. You'll find this tab either at the top right corner of the dashboard or within the side menu. Clicking on settings will provide you with various options to tailor your Pandadoc experience. Once in the settings, locate and select the option labeled Workspaces. This is where the magic happens. Workspaces provide an efficient way to segregate different teams' documents and activities within your organization. Think of them like separate rooms, each tailored to meet specific team needs while remaining interconnected for seamless collaboration. With that in mind, let's move forward and click on Create Workspace. When you do this, a new panel will ask you to input specific details for the workspace. You might want to use your team's name or a distinctive project identifier to make it easier for everyone to recognize their space. Ensure that this name is clear and relevant to avoid any confusion among team members. Once you've filled in the necessary information, confirm your creation by clicking Create or Continue, whichever appears at the bottom of the dialog box. Congratulations, you've successfully created a workspace and are now equipped to manage this team's documents distinctly. This comprehensive setup allows for a well-organized, efficient, and streamlined management system that can significantly enhance how your teams collaborate and utilize documents within Pandadoc. Each setting is adjustable as your needs evolve, ensuring that you have the flexibility to maximize productivity. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.